hii bado inatengenezea sha
tuthire na system iria twagirwo gukorwo twina cio cia taranda ici koguo they advance kana macihe priority
mpaka iharo iria mathakagira taru ona Harambee Stars turamatumberagio uguo tondu wa CHAN.
Yes.
Mungu asaidie sana wasirudi kwenye walikuwa wametoka. You know? So it's upon us niritana rito tugerie guthondeka ona kaba mundu athiege gutengera ni kwenda kana oyagwo ni kwenda not ati ni undu wa you know they really want to go.
Na ninge support ino nitige guka atiriria kwina mithako teno toguo turaigua ati ni maraheo mbeca ni maraheo ki ni masupportagwo nginya riria maraka training ciao nigetha hindi rio marakinya mithako ine teyo ri magakorwo ni andu me well trained.
But you see, ejugaga atiriri ministries ici ciothe ri can they be given andu mara understand uria guthiaga na mbere.
Exactly.
Ukoraga taru ni twacenjerio CS tukareherwo wa mithako ndoi ona you know taru ni re digithie have ministry tangithie because ona taru gitwo gutwara ministry ri no na revoch no
ogethie ministry ko
the manifest
communication
exactly
you know because and again you kana maybe itagwate ino ndiraga na aini art culture.
Yes.
You know, and then also I feel like musicians meheranio na sports people nigetha riri o andu macugurikagirwo separately kugo ministry ni heagwo andu maratauka uria kuhana the is and the out tondu kurehagwo mundu ona doi na nama wacotheria ukona there's someone who is really fit and they are passionate on a passion ne matters, especially matters to do with talent. It really matters eno tita energy, ministry of energy ate no uthie ku tondu ndirafatara ona passion ona energy no ifatara passion. So when you wanapea hizo sector to mundu rathi kuhonia wagatagate ehereire mimi tukuna ministry naweza patiwa nikatae sijui ama even if I don't know jethe andu maramenya maguhiririo manjire atiriri guku turafatara gwiko no
exactly.
Anyway, congratulations to the guy. Au ametokea manzi wameomoka
kabisa
wameomoka wacha na ni young ona niguo ndakuraga uria etagwatia Jack ona miaka rero yo
ana miaka igana kwanja
he's very young ona digwe siria ni ena mid 20 years
hello Jack dag ate ono wa 20
yes
oyo
neo mamuno
unasuku okay bottom line is the younger you are the more marketable. Yes tondu ni ukuhota gutengera ona atengeri no guo miaka ukinya hekari utangenjia ni uri thaka mubira hau nja na andu anyu. Hey, congratulations to him. Na jata ya mundu yagika ino rari season yake by the way nyo ni season yake na wacha akulie na agithia to represent. Right. Na mutikaje komweka ta Adrian Kibet nilikuwa naona watu wamekap kwa comment section za kule Adrian Kibet athire ati munamulisha wenye walipost picha yake mnamwaira kana gaito irio. So Wakenya wanafuatilia ikinya wa ikinya mkimchukua mumulide vile vizuri ama sio mumurudishe hatuwezi shitwa. Tore muciari igaga mwana uyu wako wanaremwo nake ri ugekatia ujokeria guku tutina muigata ndukana munyarire muliona ule mzee alikuwa anapeana dota yake akasema agongwe lakini asigongwe kichwa. Did you saw that video?
Asigongwe kichwa
picha kichwa
uliona ana rutha hurwo
akinege muthuri akimwira riu ri nimekupatia hii bakora. Okay, I'm paraphrasing so uka ahetia ri your own father ukamuhura no ndukamuguthe mutwe. Imagine it was trending on socials.
Wow.
Anyway,
so sad
marore andu aitu wega mandogio ni uri matucokerie no matingikiremwo nio sawa. Tuko kwa nchi jirani ambayo ni nchi ya Tanzania. Tanzania itagwate tena na Githweri Tanganyika. Shukran Waithera
Mswahili huyu
nimependelea hilo
ya driver.
Wakati walikuwa wanacheza mpira walidharekerwa walivamiwa by a swarm of bees na Githweri kile sitagwate nyuki joke ira makurie kiharo magithaka mubira na uratharara we gwa kahinda we na no joke anyway about joke ni koragwo na very different adu tofauti ni makoragwo na
reactions
na not reactions na meaning tofauti but before that What do you think? Guy, that was hilarious. And it's like karire.
Na njuki ici cirathire kwi athaki citirathi gwi spectators
Irambira kuingira kiharo.
citinathi gwi spectators
Eh,
tiguo
eh.
koguo ri ni what coincidence is this namenya kiharo ri gutire njuki ni ciendete handu hena mahua kiharo gutikiri na mahua kana any plantation koguo ri as much as andu angi marauga ati this is something deeper than we are seeing I think we also board that bus this is deeper
Yes.
than we are seeing
Ne dikadikiru.
yeni
He? Aha. I don't know. No, ona thaki he maratharikiro. Some of them marehithire nginya rungu rwa ite. Yes.
oh my this is not normal
Is it not well, I know kumona. Chini mvunguni.
na kile cirari nyingi atia
Rwimbo rũu ndagwo mvunguni ainame.
Shati
Ni
ainame.
bora rwa Tanzania. Hapana, imepotea but ni sawa. Mtaka cha mvunguni.
mpaka cha mvungoni shati
Lazima ainame. But gutwikaga njuki, ini kigutwikaga njuki. What do you mean? Ukwina njuki ni ukugia na ageni? I think so, according to the guy ginyado cameraman. Cameraman ndio huyo guy.
The spectators no spectate nyitirakiona makomete
By the way, ndo igini na mararikiria
ikiharo thiini
kiharo-ini na sineka ati itinathie by the way azikwenda
nikio nie ndirauga haha hena undu muriku
it's deeper.
yes very deep
Niĩ ngwĩciria kĩndũ Tanganyika makoragwo matucindĩte no kũruga pilau na ũrogi tondũ rĩrĩ
But the football nini team does well.
yeah it does
but what is this? This is not normal.
Ndio ni ku headquarter tondu ndirigua nginya ateti amwe magika ati koguo ri
ati no uthie Tanganyika ukagire kiria
headquarter koguo riu ri ithuĩ tũrĩ a tukararie
Chao.
ni urona by the way iratharikira kiria tu unaona but also njuki ngikuratha gutwikaga atia what happens when it ravers you
kuaga
okay
ikuaga immediately
Really?
okay
Yes,
not immediately
apparently.
but a few
munyamu cio wetagwo atia wayo
mugue kana yetagwo atia
rufora niki
Mũguĩ kweri.
eri njuki
ni rufora
Rajike
gwe uria jati kiboda leo
migwe ya njuki
but I think ni kuri migwe yes
eni
no ni kuri
rufora ni rwa wasp kana
na rufora na ni but it's medicinal.
What?
What the rufora the I don't know what to say the warathwo ni oi doge no okay ni ukuiba yes but ni
Immunity.
medicinal.
na
I think a bee sting is medicinal, okay, confirm. Yes.
it is very true I get what you're saying
Yes, no anyita hii. Yes.
ni kuogagirira kaundu immunity ini yaku
Yes.
Oko imoto.
Ndio waigwa?
With
Yes, a bee sting and bee venom are medicinal na ni huthagirwo kindu gitagwo alternative medicine called apitherapy. By the way, na hena andu mahuthiraga ite ya kuhonania.
therapy
Rĩu ũgaikio handũ ũrathũka na
hey what kind of therapy
Ndiguo ndĩrona ngũthoma mũno na nĩ hũthĩragwo tene no njuki no ikũra no ukue would you die
ni ugukua
hey gũtharĩkĩra ũkue
Ĩni.
when it's too much
yes you will
Yeah.
die we will forget about you
yeah especially cie nyingĩ
eni
na nĩkĩo ona ũrĩmi wa njuki na nĩwe nĩ irarĩmwo mũno thikũ ici mũndũ akĩrĩma of course nĩ kũrĩ ũrĩa ikĩgethagwo
Yes.
no tene tũkĩgetha ta rĩrĩa guka rĩho na rohurũka thayo twathiaga na ĩtagwo atĩa
Na
gĩcinga kĩa mwaki ũgaika atĩ hau guo nĩ mũĩ
eni
hizo mnajua
nĩ mwaki kana nĩ smoke.
ni gicinga ta
Gĩcinga.
gicinga
Oh.
kina ndogo
Okay.
of course waruta gĩcinga mwaki-inĩ rĩ nĩ
Nĩ
kĩhoraga
kĩahora.
cũgũ kĩrutaga ndogo ũgeka atĩ hau no bado nĩ warathagwo gũtiagaga arabu rĩu ũngĩ ũcio nĩ wakoragwo wĩ mwega tondũ rĩmwe nĩ wakoragwo wĩ na magua nĩ ũrĩa the real no rĩu thikũ ici of course nĩ gũkĩrĩ na njĩra nyingĩ cia gwĩka atĩ na bee farming nĩ randu wega
muno ri waje go by the way right now we sawa muno
nĩguo
na
raria
business idea ni ethe hau ni arore uria gwika na njuki
Nĩguo nĩ ũtheremaga tondũ mũtirona ũrĩa tagwo Wanja Asari.
Wewe ni inuke
nĩyo ona nguga ekuga cari guto
gai
ni ngoja Senegal wajazani ni jokiarari
ndoka
murango mukuhanĩirie naguo hau wajazani ni neka ati drive ni ndu ajoki when wa Tanzania but I hope mati mufira ni wasokire rathi na mbere after like 10 minutes alafu but ama ni competitor walikuwa wametuma guthararia
labda
kuleta ngahiha tondu marathakaga nao but Tanzania wacha nikwambie ogopa Tanzania wewe ogopa anyway tuthithe na mbere wega over to Burkina Faso bururi by the way which is doing very very well. Burkina Faso recently ni marageire na a president ogwitwo Traore itu wako sindio the new one na aigirire of course na njira ya heuri akiigirire but ni akoretwo agigika mogaruku maingi muno eto Ibrahim Traore. This guy is just 37 years man.
37 wow, I wish we would have that in our country. That is
my lord. Yes, he's 37. Yes. Yes.
Deke tuone kana miaka ni gutwara na you know kio
giake
ini
but so far so good. He has done so well.
Yes,
mareyejera gold ciao hema indo maregete makuma mabũrũri mananja na rĩu rĩ tukiaria horo wa andũ megwĩtwo Burkina Faso rĩ nĩ maregete but they have passed a law wa kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo prohibit kana nĩraregana completely no ikoja rĩu kĩthũngũ kĩngĩhũthĩra kiugo prohibit ni ile inafanywa hivi
ni mzito
ni block
wame block kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo to criminalize kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo ndogo cia hũra ũmwe nĩcio tĩtagwo atĩa homosexuality koguo nĩ ciothe kana nĩ lesbianism kana nĩ gayism kana nĩ transgender activity maraigire izo zifanywe huko na nĩ watho rahĩtũkirio thĩinĩ wa bunge yao legislature nĩo marahĩtũkirie na maraiga the Persons and Family Code Law making Burkina Faso the latest series of African countries rĩu nĩo mararia yani nĩo marahĩtũkirio watho ũcio werũ thĩinĩ wa bũrũri wao gũkorwo makĩregana na maũndũ maya na mũndũ gwĩtwo managwo ni military by the way na he is military Traore.
Okay.
Yes, the military took over. They overthrew.
Damn.
So there's hope. Anyway, yeah.
We should borrow notes.
There's hope.
We should borrow some notes.
In case of Kiriawa refuses. But what do you think, considering hena ndo madebate na nikuga ndiraugwa ti ati ndikuga ngoragwo mwena wa andu acio kiria mugaga they are still human before matuike
they're human first.
They're human first. Matanatuika homosexuals, matanatuika gay, matanatuika lesbian. We modo kendiga kuga we Jack. We tuge whoever Anderson utanatuika gay koguore. What do you think? No koma igite matirenda maundu maya.
Okay, niturete kinya mabũrũri mangĩ Kenya nituhĩtũkĩtie itiguo.
Well, okay.
But kwĩna kĩoho.
Ndikora illegal.
Kwĩna kĩoho
ndikora illegal in that ona mũngĩhikania andũ ahũra ũmwe rĩ ti ũhiki ũrecognizetwo nĩ thirikari.
Koguo niona ndĩrarigwo atĩrĩrĩ tondũ kwĩna mabũrũri maingĩ mako mahĩtũkĩtie watho ũyũ rĩ.
Yes.
No ona mabũrũri-inĩ macio rĩ nĩtuonaga andũ social media bado no mareka nĩ mara identify ta they them whatever. Koguo rĩ niĩ ndigagwo atĩrĩrĩ now the criminal offense yokaga riria mwakorwo mugikomania kana o uguo wa identify
riria mwatwira riria mwatuonia
you identify because of the act. You cannot separate the two.
No mangimunyita atia in Kenya it is illegal.
Yes, it
no
is.
TikTok koja maihurite itumona itiguo they are very many no tutire tuona ati makioerwo ikinya and yet ti uhoro witikiritio Kenya koguo ni ndigagwo atiriri tondu aria manyitĩtwo only ni aria riu maigwĩkĩte ati kana makoretwo magikomania kana I wonder how that law works.
Okay. Na kuratuika wanyitwo ri urahohwo kioho kia miaka where are you haha. Yes, how many?
3 to 5 years.
3 to from 2 to 5 years na faini. Yes.
Plus and not or.
Oh, and
yes.
Okay. Amaraiga atiriri a person who engages kana mundu uria engageaga in haha ni matheretie Jack homosexual practices
practices
openly kana okoro
ni mwako
no rumoge kaitho ine mukimenyeka ati
mukumenyeka atia
nikio riu ndiroria low ino imekaga sense atia it actually doesn't make sense.
I think it's a way of kugeria to preserve what is I don't know honestly ikoragwo very
uguo thiete kugeria riu ri
preserve
that is correct
culture na kurega kureherwo maundu but I don't think uyu ni undu wa western African because agiko wanathikiriria andu ingi makirikana wanathikinya undu tene ni gwakoragwo na andu aya na taru ugikuyu-ini njiguaga maneagwo kiria mahurane nginya maninane
koguo mari okuo ginya tene
yes they were there
uzigiwa ni uhoro
atemekaga
so ni kwari na acio mostly men acio ni onyonete mangianyitirwo munyitwo ni mwina giko kiu arumeri mwathiaga mukaneo bito muhurane nginya muragane. So it was still not right. But it doesn't mean that maundu maya matia happenaga. It's only nowadays they have a reason to really make that thing illegal. Maihoiria kuo ginya riu ona ginya mahikanetie. Yes. You do maundu ta andu makehitha thiini wa kihiko ukare in fact na diahe andu idea. Ndronire andu maroneria TikTok ati andu cause you see aigemena bia because it's a guys
na ukoragwo uniki
it's a lucrative business because it's being funded
meindo
umaiga maretha airetu magihike iwe ukafanda gotu you are just
lavender marriages
but thank you very much lavender marriages so gamenya automatically ngihikio ni tuge whoever ukuhikia kama automatically ni wa mukira
nyindo dio kati-ini
no ni aranjira kama wakajira ni ndirenda uke ukoro ni umenye ndi wa mukira wewe ndirenda uke ndu wa society na automatically from the word go agakwira na ru of course nyani gufandagi uri ikoragwo wimu hana andu maroragia kure mekuruta acio ara
the business idea monete
ure tondu agetheria from niru ni wondoria tiriri agiko ni mukugia ciana gacagaca-ini yo or I don't know what happens becomes very complicated but I prefer iyo ya automatically kujira nie nditwirire matua handu hariria wahikia
hithaga
na ndunjirite ati wa mukira wa fara riu nie ndakinya ku niguo ngoragwo na kama uthurura gutiari mwaka ni wa mbere ni wa keriri and then of course very weird signs anyway to which they are own no Burkina Faso ni maraigire matirenda maundu ta mau meaning bia iria ikoragwo ikiheanwo ni mabururi ma nanja
ni maiko
matikwamukira tondu he mabururi mafandagi mabururi maria makoragwo me very warm kuri ideas ici koguo ona taruo na andu aria manathie kaingi makiurira mabururi ma kenjuge ma America and all that ogiuga Kenya uratengerio tondu wi wa huromwe wamukagirwo with both hands no nginya utherie ati nima for sure
na utheria atia
see you have evidence.
What evidence?
Shit.
Like you have photos with your partner.
Tungikihura mbica na mundu uguo.
That's what I'm saying. Goveria ne nginya to an extent.
Practical.
Keatere mundu agiokatira you will go through with it.
This is honestly
no ate bururi ungikorwo we ugwa ona hakiri ndikugweta abonia hurukire na huruka thayo atwire mabururi manako because of that tondu we ari atira nginya skirt ekira killed
ateo
horoso nyokinya hapo no kina faso ne marigire batikwenda horoso tugicokerie twina ngano ingi mundu gwetwo Georgia Amani arothe mahaka perfume ya Georgia Amani na goshi Georgia Amani ndiwe kandira mugoria kwagire tondu waithira is it what is this supposed to be saying?
Georgia Armani. You
Armani.
say the R.
Oh, the R is pronounceable.
Armani.
But confusing me because R looks silent.
It's Italian name.
Oh, it's Italian.
So
the
Armani.
R is Armani.
It's Armani.
Like Aramis. Eza metekiri arahuruka thayo so tugicokereria tukwaria horo wa thabari yake ya into the fashion and the itagwatia business lifestyle business no twambe tuikirie cokithio kaida takire kuraihu.
Kameme TV. People Daily, Kenya's trusted newspaper, is making history as the first daily to go fully digital. By transitioning from print to the PD News app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play Store and App Store. People Daily. News that moves with you.
Alo, Mr. Mavela, Mr. Mandunya, Mr. Mavujing, Mr. Sababisha bana, kijana wa mamake, siko solo, ceremony master, bonga nao.
Check, brrrpa. MC Ghetto Child, but like 90s dance, allows you.
Ivan Michelle Francis, IMF for short, what's he name?
The ceremony master, MC Ghetto Child, plus
DJ Jazz 254, aka the musical judge.
So if you wanna catch a groove, wanna feel the siren vibe.
Cause a time at a bed you can go re. Cause you go see the vibe, autonomous, no
MC Ghetto Child, sapana, jembe teshi mtu wangu. 2 good hours hapo K24, Kameme TV 2 channel.
Kila saa to, Juma, pale K24 TV na Kameme TV. Kuanzia oya, saa 5 hadi saa 7.
2 good hours of non-stop this and that. Local content mtu wangu, international content. Ma interviews za artists, local and international artists, them also audio.
One young man, them call Boo Boo. Met a coolie girl named Joyce Lou. Fell in love and ting. Him promise her one baby and ring.
Tumeta majo musical judge.
Gĩcigo kĩa Mount Kenya nikĩo gĩkoragwo gĩtongoretie na uge wa no ũgũtuĩka mũtongoria wa bũrũri kumana na ũingĩ wa aikia a kura.
Wale wote walisaliti jamii yetu, wanasaliti jamii ya Mlima Kenya. Tukituma Ruto nyumbani mtatangulia.
Tutashinda ama tutashinda? Tukashinda kama tutashinda.
Na nokĩo gĩcigo kĩrĩa gĩkoragwo kĩrutĩte ma-president atatũ harĩ ma-president atano arĩa matongoretie bũrũri ũyũ kuma rĩrĩa wegwatĩire wĩyathi.
Fisi akitaka kula mtoto wake anasema ananuka kama mbuzi.
Sisi ni viongozi wa kitaifa na tunatafuta uhusiano na watu wa Kenya yote.
Usiangushe, mimi ni jirani yenu hapa. Sasa mkiniangusha mtapitia wapi?
No kuma gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mwaka wa 2022 gĩcigo gĩkĩ nĩ gĩkoretwo kĩgayũkanĩte, ũndũ ũrĩa wehereirie thutha wa kũhagũrwo kwa Rigathi wa Gachagua ta mũnini wa president. Mĩaho ĩtiganĩte ya atongoria ĩkĩranĩra kũnyitithania rũrĩrĩ, no o mũtongoria akoretwo akĩgucĩria na mwena wake. No hihi mũingĩ ũrũgamĩire ha? Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ gũkũ gwa Kameme TV tabarĩra-inĩ ya ũrũmwe witũ, o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio wa kiumia tũkĩaranĩria na Mount Kenya Generals. Ici nĩ njamba citũ kĩũteti.
Tugaicokeria ha thiini wa Kameme TV ngatho cia mwanya ni guthi na mbere na kunyitanira na ithuĩ Fiesta Friday kereka aria muthia tugithi na mbere uko tugikiarĩria maundu maria mahapenete thiini wa kiumia gĩkĩ thengio ni undu wa haria hothe uratwamukira ukiri twi live kuri wa Facebook kagenyi mari see Julius Murega wi kuria mwena wa Nyeri na mundu ugwitwo Nyambura ndĩrĩra-inĩ na mundu ugwitwo Ann Barton Singer asanteni sana ni gukorwo ukinyitanĩire na ithuĩ ha thiini wa Kameme TV o tugigithiaga na mbere na tugukorwo tugikirora uhoro wa rugano rurungi footballers are shining ini wiki ya footballers wa malaria na gaciko because there's a 16-year-old one we kuria mwena wa US akoretwo etagwa Ethan ni ara compete kana ekihita kihitano-ini kia young athlete of the year 2025 a global contest celebrating young athletes aria mena grit hard work na teamwork na arakorwo agitanya kana isn't just about recognition to mekwehotanira kindu gigwitwo 3 million cia Kenya as the cash prize na ni egukore feature thini wa global sports brand campaign kugwo ni heno ria turamuvutira nikihitahitano-ini kiu nigetha kirehe kinyamu kiu guku mucii mbeca icio
egucoka guku
well ni mu Kenya so sijui kama atarudi
toko wagikaraga kuu.
Does it matter?
It doesn't matter, but it's not gonna be brought here.
You want it to be brought here so that you tax it.
Okay. Makes sense.
Unataka upige tax.
Oyo nebe?
Yes.
This one is 16.
16.
And he was born there. He's not from here.
What do you mean?
Because
yes,
kids from in the US tend to have really big size despite their their age.
Gutira makanye tondu wa riri.
Huyo ako 16 huyo.
Si yeye hana damu ya US ama America.
Unajua wewe ni mdogo kumliko. No, the weather really ninis. Yeah.
Anyway.
Around the munene.
Ni 16.
Naona ko we hana huo. We 13. For real.
Sijazaliwa. Sijazaliwa.
Guy, ni kweli by the way.
Sijazaliwa. Okay. Yeah, but let's hope ni gukorwo agikiinukia itagwa atia that amount.
Yes.
But arauga arenda gukorwo through I believe through everyone's vote I will win. It will be for my country.
Yes.
And for my people back home. Yeah. Being a finalist is already big for me. Nyakinyete ukore finals, so that's already a win. And being named the young athlete of the year will become a dream come true for my career in the football game.
Odo notice it ni ati Kenya recently, not recently but of late ne tukoretwo twina tukiyukia especially talent wise tumekuwa tuko mahali juu. Na ugo riko nani atiriri that Africans and I actually believe Africans tukoragwo tugisuppresswo ni the whites and the people from the western, we have a lot of ability and power. Tungihota idue nyewe ku exercise the abilities.
Yes.
We can be the one that are reigning in the world.
Na Kenya ni yetu by the way. Tunajituma tena sana. Kana ni mahenya, kana niko. Tunajituma tena sana. Yeah. But well, all the best, but already it's a good thing. No naginya akiaria ni madahana 16, but also
he's not.
You're body shaming.
No, he doesn't. You're age shaming.
No.
Anakat.
Ni ona mundu etaruhe ni henda makoragwo mari anene physically, but you can tell a baby there's a face that looks ni amwana.
Baby.
Honestly, ni ndukiga ndi 13.
Kou no tuge.
Ndina kiria ginya mimi ni mukulu.
Ino we ni ndara we tondu ndikire nikenda liko reu.
Orera wiru.
Aya horo. Ni ndireyona kana nio. All right, but araiga even for the country koguo ndirona aravotirwo kuria kwa ugethi Instagram ni akini ukona akiaria athlete of the year 2025 kuria he kundu araikirio kura yes, so Kenya to the world tumeenda vizuri sana, tuthiete wega fiu. Oh yes. Right, tuethi na mbere tuikereka tuthokita kuinikiriria but bado tutirikitie ngano mundu ogwitwo waithira ni ajira tikiria ti George
it's Jorge Hormane.
Is it Horio, surely?
No, it's not. It's
Yeah.
Giorgio.
Horio is hot. Is
It's J. When it's J, unasema Jorge.
That is what, Spanish?
Yeah, that's Spanish.
So jalapeno is Spanish.
Jalapeno, yes.
That is jalapeno is
It's hoho, yeah.
So, but him is Italian.
Yeah,
Who ni Armani. Yeah. Nijo wana thi ukenderio perfume ya Giorgio Armani uthondakirwo ni mundu gwitwo Waithira. It's in fact if you Google it, it's a luxury company. It's luxury. It's ekegwire. Mundu uyu agiciaritwo 1934 kuria mwena wa Italy na ni akoretwo ethini wa fashion industry as a designer na ni akoretwo akimenyeka ni undu wa wira wake the handu ya Roma to guku Kenya gwika kana riu kuria agiciarirwo na ni akirikitie gukorwo agikihuruka eno kuru wa 91 years ni akoretwo agigitwo ni mwathani na mararutire makiuga horo cio thini wa Instagram page yake ati ararutire wero until his final days, dedicating himself to the company, the collections and the many ongoing future projects. Yes, so timodora ikaraga ugwo ati tondu ni arimire tene ndaritaire. Yeah, I'm sure all of us ni makoranite na kiria na that luxury brand. Yes.
Wow, to tugire aroma makwega kuraga and I'm hoping akihurukio casket yake ni gakorwo is scented.
Oh yeah, with all the magekira concussion.
Mamuhe a very nice send off na kiria arendete muno tondu gukorwo ati ni arendedicate nginya ndagika ya mwisho ri kona ni arendete wira wa Kenya. He was a love of sense koguo ri mamuhe a beautiful send off
na dhuti. I think they had suits
and watches
yes.
Ni koguo in general mamu send off wega fio and he remains to be a legend.
Mamuhurukio ya kwagereire na nona ginya biseyo ekirete thau ena 91 years. You can see the suit. You can even see ni modo stylish.
Yes.
Kinyoria roga. You see? It's style.
Yes.
I don't know, it's speaking luxury.
By the way, design dekoragwo o gwikira kwihumba kwihuhiriria
even your
body language.
It's not even sexually transmitted. If it was, if it was.
If it was, who
I would have, you know.
You would, oh God.
Yes, of course nyahetwo tribute ciake ni ciumite kuri kundu kuma kuri kundu kuingi muno. Minister wa kwao etagwo atia ni akoretwo akiruta condolences ciake, even the thirikari ya kou na ginya ando a Vogue magazines nene so ni atetwo kana condolences kana ni ciumite kundu gutiganite muno na he has been a enormous source of strength and creativity for many years. Also the Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni. Yes, with his elegance, sobriety and creativity, he was able to bring luster to the Italian fashion and to the inspire the world. No, we see the adohe kiria mo ikaine nakyo. Tondu andu ta Paris utuka ni kwa love.
Yeah.
Paris is a city of love, but also na fashion ya Paris ni korawo is good. It is sophisticated.
Well, give me compare na Italy.
Oh, na Italy. Point. Utoka tokite Africa.
Turia na fashion ya culture.
Neke tengere tu. Tunosuka wa mata itugu ati vitu.
Wow.
Ni uri ati ni watu ekire patented. It is not ours. Ona kiodo. Hakwe ginyira.
Ginya Bantu Brown ro ya Gikuyu.
Eyo gane itu. Nu andore hekiria matana. Niko made a lot of pasta. Gano, niko.
Italy still.
It's Italy still, Italy they have akana ni good Italy. Yeah, negotiate.
Tuselele.
Waithira ntoko musherera.
Tuselele kuo.
Dina iganyere, ndeuga Italy.
Italy.
Etoguo. Toko mwe, tondere.
But if we are to look at fashion and how Kenya who are doing well in terms of fashion, who are doing well?
Kiambuyans.
No
nginya hoire ndefe gwitu
Kiambu na fashion well we beg to differ na turi akuo but we beg to differ tutiri orwo ni tutithia hera re matororokagia makagiria na wale mathukia makarigwo fio ukona he mutukanio wa nguo wekiro kaiga wa Whoa. Yes. But he did well. He was an inspiration. Ni akokoretwo ena thina concern about his health. Ni ona ni amisire Milan Fashion Week kugo ndahotete gukorwo agithie kugo ni agwiciria ni arakina thina wa mwiri but aragikorwo agikihuruka 91 ucio na ni gukihuruka yeah. Yeah, ni maina partnership na mundu gwitwo a Ferrari 1 acio magithiaga guikati kuguo no ni ndona tondu it's a family business ni megutwarithia na mbere. That's the beauty. There were structures kuna perfume ile tugura huko no makinine sekeri ati tondu mundu mwe ni agikua
ni megutuhe kiria
shares
Black Sale Friday
atedo Black Sale Friday
91% off
before November
91%.
That's it 91 kali gukimuhe na awera 20% kali ro hiyo
rĩu gĩsignify miaka yagĩkua nayo tondu rĩrĩ
ingethara no ita ndi supermarket, one of the supermarket in this country ndikugweta irendagia iria ciringi 19 kufumbua
no reciria 1% off ya Marashi it's still expensive.
I know
tutingihota kugura
still
even with 9%
niriende yeah, luxury. That's why it's luxury.
Yeah.
That's why it's luxury. Right. Toko tugikitirira hau nake mundu gwitwo DJ Ricky Wine. Ni wine ka ni wine?
Ni wine.
Hey,
koini gunyodo nginawe.
Naona DJ Giant tena birthday. Niki watari haha live ni amwitire birthday kuria mwena wa tareke ndore wega nigetha menye kuria turathi. Aciarirwo mweri uyu kiambiriria 1st of September was his birthday. No umuthi turamikuira kuria mwena wa Homeland. Ni mwe Homeland?
Yes, opposite Garden City.
Yes. Ni kuare aumagaritio ni andu ayo ndona ha hena 90k hena muzima hena ginya nirudi ho dai mahadi agithie ku. Yes. Niki wa uri ginya nikiwe ni ndiamona haha. Sigwa agithie aumagaritio woni othe tuthi tukugwire mwana ki ucio ni aciarirwo murigi kuguo
let's alone lead there.
Ngare to ni mata all roads lead to Homeland. Yes. Na twakiga happiest birthday DJ Giant. Riu mundu atuhinge agitwira akora tungimona na mundu gwetwo Jack irathi ni ciambirie.
Actually twi kirathi-ini kingi turainĩkĩrĩria nĩ kwĩrĩkĩrĩria turainĩkĩrĩria turarikia on Tuesday kiu kingi kirambĩrĩria on 24th of this month.
Yes.
Na hena undu ndaugĩte by the way ni undu wa mũrutwo mwe wangenirie muno ndaugĩte kirathi gĩkĩ gĩkiroka I'll give 5 free. Okay, commitment fee ndikoragwo profit irongoreirie profit but completely now nginya gutari na commitment fee ni guoya arutwo atano aria mekukorwo riu maiguĩrĩirie ũhoro ũyũ through Kameme TV.
Kameme nĩ kirathi gĩkĩ?
Nĩ kirathi kĩa online writing. Koguo angĩkorwo wĩna thimũ kana wĩna laptop wĩna internet connection ni wifi kana ni bundles na wĩna gĩthũngũ basic you are ready to go. Ũkũĩ ũthomithio kuruta wira online project management kurio kuruta andu aya athungu aya urarutira wira maundu macio mothe. Afu warikia kirathi ngakuhe free individual mentorship nginya hote gukorwo we independent. Kurio uranyona ni nenda-ini ciothe Jack Mbogwa na bekoragwo bio-ini
niguo.
Thank you very much.
Atiriri online writing ni kuga ati ni uri
kwandikaga online
ni uri andikaga ni kuria nigetha mundu agoke ciritie ni maundu mangi ni kwandika captions ta maundu ta mau right na mundu ngitwo Waithera
Jackie kirathi ndake igwira haha koguo watigaria
andu
angia
Do you want to learn online writing?
Slots ithathatu.
I'm serious.
You want to learn online writing?
I want to learn online writing.
Mutumalize. Pastor tushautagira kugo I have to decide when I want to watch you. Yeah, because don't get jane kokera usine ojira. Please tell me why. Excuse me, that volume is very high. So Jacob muonaga riria we tayari. And I like both of you that even your level of thinking but they don't make kagia do na ukaruta content. It's not a joke. And then
intelligent.
You guys are very intelligent. Yes, but there's something she says I'm like, damn it, girl.
Oh, please.
Oh, when did you ever want this?
Girl.
Yeah. So receive your flowers.
Oh, thank you.
Receive your. Ni muraruta wira mwega muno. Na jake ndo ya kiridia kigoso.
That side of me that y'all didn't know.
Ni tukatagira mwathani. Yes. Ndia kire theology. So we thank God. Yeah. Thank you muno murathimo muno makiria DJ Ricky Wayne eguko nigetha korwo akioerera mwaro hau atigarite. Njitagwo Nonsizi mwari wang'ethe. Thank you very much. Ni undu wa kwirorera. Driver Peter ni ndamuona niwe ukoragwo akiinukia ciana citu kuria thini wa Castle Academy and he's our huge fan. Aiga ana enjoy show pamoja sana. Say hi to your guest. Ni mwageithio by our esteemed driver kule mwana wa Castle Academy. Asante sana Peter na Gagito Nonsizi mwari wang'ethe. Ukona weekend njega we guthie rema we guthie kuria kungi tugacemania Sunday kule mwana wa Red Room. We urenda mugithi mwega uthakirwo ni mundu gwitwo DJ Dibulu wa Gine Irosh Gatutura na Murige mugoka Sunday ni ngakorwo DMC tu na Kifuja. So tujibambe huko. Until then na muthenya wa mwambiririo Ngai njega tuna ni muthenya wa mwambiririo. DJ Ricky Wayne take over.
Cheka na miko unatuna vipoa. Cheka na miko ni bachelor na ujaoa. Cheka na miko umekunywa na unakojoa. Usicheke na misa buhema pesa nitatoa. Jamaa leo netwa blanda. Jamsa 11 ndio ilianza. Kwa hiyo ndio kila mtu mpiga simu. Ni Friday siku lazima tuheshimu. Shika mtoto wako mweke karibu nawe. Best yako mnulie bia pia naye. Mtu akileta noma hapa pigana naye. Manzi akileta maringo jo achana naye. Kuta mwingine mwambie nipe nawe. Kibao tosikazie we safi twende ndani ya ndai manze bora usidi Nameless John nisikia na yake mwali karazia itabidi metumia tuma sachet Kenya official iliwafanya drinking nation na kila Friday Joe wagani vacation kuchoma nyama ndio kitu ya kwanza ushibe vipoki ugali ndio siwake haraka kuchoma maini ndio kitu ya pili na ifurahi day tunaanza na mapele